English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. After adopting the national agenda of governance, this government has obtained said that India would be built by Indians. We faced threats from foreign countries, dispute that the finance minister and the prime minister did not threaten anyone. Keeping in view these threats, an effort was made to arouse the sense of self respect in the NRIs. Effort were made to further strengthen the sense of patriotism in them. As a result of that, NRIs all over the world have given the message to the whole countries that we should not be worried about anything. If sanctions are imposed, them NRIs living abroad are ready to sacrifice everything for the sake of India. The budget also has given this message to us. The NRIs have been offered a good package which would increase their investment, their interest in investing their capital in their own country would also increase. Persons of India origin possessing foreign passport have been given special PIO card. Provision has been made for enabling them to visit India without visa, and I believe that it is a good step. It should be welcomed. Further, the limit prescribed by investment by NRIs in Indian companies has been increased from 1% to 5%. Total NRIs investment in a company has also been enabled from 5% to 10%. Those steps should be welcomed. Efforts have been made to provide relief to all sections in the budget. There is hardly any section for which the finance minister has not made effort to provide relief. Ours is a country which has more manpower and less resource. Therefore, so far as large industries are concerned, it is right that they produce more but they create less employment. On the other hand, although small scale industries produce less, they create job for more people. This budget has made good provisions for small scale industries. The finance minister deserved congratulations for it. People from small scale industries have heaved a sign of relief because for a long period they were not given any concessions.